Hi everyone, welcome back again to another video. Thank you for joining Oga Johnny and family. In today's video, we are going to make yam porridge with no protein. So guys, if you're interested, stay tuned and keep watching. I'll start by peeling my yams and peel them and cut them to the size I really want for this recipe, and I will trash the cover and start the process of cooking. This is what the yam is looking like, and I'm going to wash it very well, and I will place it in my pot and I'll add water to it. Once I'm done adding water, I'm going to on up my light and I'll place it in my light and allow it to boil. Then I will add my seasoning cube. Once I'm done adding my seasoning cube, I'm going to add my crayfish and I will add my onions as well. After adding my onions, I'll add my palm oil and add my salt to taste, and I will cover it and allow it to cook proper. While my yam is cooking, I will go over to prep my vegetable. I will select it, collect the ones I need, and return the rest of the vegetable. Then once I'm done, I'm going to slice it to my taste. Then after slicing, I'm going to check my yam. As you can see, wow, our yam is boiling. I'm going to add my fresh pepper and I'm going to stir it a little so it don't start burning. Just gentle stirring, okay? Then and I will cover it and allow it to continue cooking. Our yam is cooking properly. I will come over to check and stir a little. Then I will add my vegetable. Our yam porridge is coming together and I'll cover it and allow it to cook. Guys, our yam porridge is ready. Thank you so much for staying tuned with me. And now I'm going to dish my yam. As you can see, it's looking delicious. This is yam porridge with no protein, and trust me, it's very, very delicious. I make this mix some often for my kids. When I have nothing left in the house, I will just garnish it this way, and trust me, it's very delicious. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in my next one. Bye bye.